Most developers think systems break because of bad code. But the truth is, systems break because of bad thinking. Welcome back to Richa Publishing Minds. Today, we're going deeper into the ideas from Modern Data Systems by Daniel R. Holt, and breaking down the mindset shift that separates ordinary developers from true system architects. Let's get into it. Most beginners draw endpoints, controllers, and API calls. Architects don't start there. Architects begin with flows, not the code, not the endpoints, but how facts move through the system. Ask yourself powerful architect-level questions like, what events enter the system? How do they transform? How do they propagate? Where can they fail? Modern systems don't break at the function level. They break at the flow level, across services, across networks, across machines. If the flows are wrong, nothing works. If the flows are right, your system becomes naturally reliable. Here's one of the strongest ideas in the book. Every modern system is a state machine. Every real-world entity moves through states. Orders go from created, right-pointing arrow, shipped, right-pointing arrow, delivered. Rides go from requested, right-pointing arrow, accepted, right-pointing arrow, completed. Payments go from initiated, right-pointing arrow, authorized, right-pointing arrow, settled. If your states are unclear, implicit, or scattered, bugs will multiply everywhere. But when states are explicit, documented, validated, tracked, your system becomes predictable and stable. Architects don't guess the state. They design the state. Never override truth. Append it. Facts are immutable. They record what happened. You never touch them again. Views are interpretations, summaries, and aggregates used for fast reads. When you separate truth from views, you gain reliability. You gain auditability. You gain the ability to rebuild your model at any time. You eliminate hidden inconsistencies. If business rules change, you rebuild the view from the facts. No patching, no scrambling, no data corruption. This is how modern systems stay clean while older systems rot. The book strongly criticizes endpoint-centric thinking. When every update is a synchronous HTTP call, your system becomes tightly coupled, hard to scale, prone to cascading failures. Architects move to event-driven thinking. Instead of calling another service, you emit events like order updated, payment authorized, ride completed. Other services subscribe and react. This creates loose coupling, replayability, resilience, horizontal scalability. This is why companies like Netflix, Uber, and Shopify use event-driven architecture at their core. The book makes something very clear. Systems usually don't break because of syntax errors, bad variable names, or small coding mistakes. Systems break because of race conditions, network partitions, event ordering issues, state mismatches, data duplication, poor flow design. These are thinking problems, not code problems. An architect solves these before writing a single line of code. One powerful concept from the book is the idea of treating data as a product. Top engineering teams own their data, version their schemas, maintain data quality SLOs, document their flows, track lineage and freshness. This mindset turns data into a competitive advantage, not a mess to clean up. This was only a small part of the clarity you'll find inside Modern Data Systems by Daniel R. Holt. Amazon link is in the description. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Richa Publishing Minds for more tutorials on system design, architecture, and engineering thinking. See you in the next video.